Sound stock is approaching a key level around $8.53, and that level could determine the next move. Over the past several sessions, Sound has been trading inside a consolidation range after a sharp sell-off from the $9 area. Price recently attempted a bounce toward $8.98, but sellers stepped in and pushed the stock back toward the lower part of the range. Right now, the key resistance to watch is $8.53, while near-term support sits around $7.30. If Sound can break above $8.53 and we see a daily closing confirmation above that level, the next upside target could be around $8.98. If you want my structured daily execution plan before market open, it is available inside Patreon, link in the description.